Testing of Fuji Differential Pressure Transmitter. The unit has been set to a calibration range of input signal from 0 to 1000 millibar of a square root type, so it does not respond in a linear way. For testing, we add a 24-volt DC power supply, a multimeter in order to measure the milliamp output, and some pressurized air as input signal. By manipulating the input signal, we can see that the unit responds accordingly and outputs the full 4 to 20 milliamp output signal according to the input signal. The unit has been set to a square root type, so we can see that it does not output the 4 to 20 milliamp in a linear way. It is now clear that the Fuji differential pressure transmitter is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.